ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the VIN number from Copart if you do not have an account and you want to use it, just in case you want to use it for different things. So for example, my auto auction research tool here that shows you everything you need to know about a car and what they sold for, who's the seller of the car, and everything like that. So, and it, like I say, when the car sells, it shows you who sold what the car sold for. I cannot get my words out. But anyway, let's go ahead and just go over it. I'm gonna just go down on the screen real quick. So let's just say we want to look up AMG GT. My bad, GT. Something's going on with my mouse. Okay. Why did it bring up Hellcats? AMG GT. T. Nope. Oh my god. AMG GT. We got it, y'all. Okay, so what you would do, you would click on the car, and as you can see here, it doesn't have the VIN number. This is all it has. All right, now this is a nice car, by the way. This was a hail damage car, which is a car I would like to buy, because hail damage doesn't mean anything, guys. Like, this would definitely pass inspection as long as you just change the windshield. You change the windshield, this car's passed inspection. Yes, with all the dings and dents in there. Dang, did it get on the inside? Wow, it busted the screen. That sucks. But this brings me to here. So all you have to do is go to the pictures. Like, I'm not logged in any account or anything like that. You just go to the pictures and you can get the rest of it. So you see the rest of it stops at LA. So LA 013249. So just like that. Now I'm gonna bring it over here to my auto auction research tool. You do have to pay a monthly subscription to use this website. Speaking of monthly subscription, I'm gonna show you guys something different. This is WHD Academy, my monthly membership, which teaches you everything you need to know about cars. All right, so you get one weekly video lesson. You get access to my VIP Discord where we can chat. You can talk to me, ask me any type of questions, which includes my secret connection on how to get your license. You do not need to have a lot. You do not need to have an office space. It does not matter your criminal history. It does not matter your credit. You know, this does come into play when you're trying to get your license. You know what I'm saying? Especially depending on what state you in, you need a lot. You need an office space. My secret plug, you don't need none of that, guys. We can get you a license. Sorry, something's in my eye. We can get you your license. 1,500 people, first 1,500 people. This is crazy. Something in my eye. But in my course, I got everything you need to know with that plug information. All right. Back to Auto A-Stat, because something is really in my eye. So it looks like this car was in the auction before, and it was sold for $44,000. Now it's in the auction again, as you can see, because it's not for sale. So this is what it used to look like when it was first into Copart. So boom, looks like they had to change all that. They rebuilt the car, and next thing you know, now it got hail damage. And this is an AMG GT 53. Beautiful car. You see the airbag deployed and everything in here. And again, if you guys want to use this website, the link is in the description below. You do have to pay a monthly subscription to use this website. This is something different. This is not whdacademy.com. And you can see it shows you it's been one auction, one sale, one auction. The risk was high, and the condition was it won't start, and it still sold for $44,500. But now it looks like it's all put together, and it is selling again. And the current bid right now is only $4,200. Wait, there we go. So that's what it looks like now. They changed the airbag, everything. Now it just got hail damage. All right, so that's my little secret way for you guys to check the VIN number. If you do not cannot check the VIN number, you do not have an account with Copart. And if you need a broker to use, I got one in the link in the description below. If you just want to get like one car or something like that, link is in the description below. Everything's in the description below. It's your boy Ray. I'm out. Peace. Peace. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.